is on the wings of love.
This is a bad idea.
1, 2, 3, get loose now.
Mom and Dad, what's going on here?
Over the years at our family gatherings, you two show up and you ruin it. I want you to bring a date to your sister's wedding. We don't want you showing up stag and riling each other up.
We don't rile each other up. We never get riled up.
We'll shape up for you, Jeannie. We gotta find the right girls for this. Where do we even go? What?
We're about to do something awesome.
I'm here with Mike and Dave Stengel. They are looking for dates for their sister's wedding in Hawaii.
Let's make these guys take us to Hawaii.
We're looking for nice girls.
We're gonna look respectable as
They're leaving. It's all part of the plan.
Are you okay?
I am now.
I saved your life. She's okay. I saved your life.
Yeah.
Grandma, I'd meet Alice. She's super smart.
Tatiana, she's a school teacher.
The key to teaching children is repetition. You'd be surprised how stupid they are.
Let's play bocce.
Should we take it easy?
Absolutely not. We should let them lose with dignity, which is what I'd like to think we would do.
Don't make me throw it down. Tatiana, they've got cockbusters.
That sounds like you guys are like watching porno or...
No. They have The Rodfather. I don't know if we're gonna get it though, if we haven't seen The Godfather.
Get it all in, I'm a freak little bitch.
Who are these girls?
They're supposed to be making us look cool.
Let me throw it down.
Oh my gosh, she's Superman.
Your turn, Mike!
Don't ever do that.
I could do anything that they could do.
Is it okay?
Wow!
Oh, she looks like burn victim Barbie. And you're Black Ken.
Throw it down.
Now.